The 24 hours, the 7 days, and the 30 days. Hello guys from my street Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started right away because this video it's interesting. We got 1 day, the perfect dough. 1 week, woo! 1 month of fermentation. We push the dough to the limit. I'm here to show you what's the limit of the pizza dough. We fermented the dough for 24 hours, for 1 week, and for 30 days, the whole month. So please watch until the end because this video is insane. Because even me, I don't know how the pizza will come out. So let's go ahead, let's get started with the full recipe of the pizza dough. So we have to know how to make the best pizza dough. So let's go ahead, let's start from the beginning. And now it's time to make the dough with very simple ingredients. Let's go ahead and let's start. You have to prepare the poolish 16 to 24 hours before with 300 grams of water, 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of dry yeast and 5 grams of honey. Mix it up, leave it 1 hour at room temperature and then in the fridge overnight. Let's start to put the whole poolish. Now let's put the half amount of the water. We use 500 milliliters of water. Let's go ahead and let's melt the poolish in the water. And now let's add 30 grams of sea salt. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's put 950 grams of flour. You can go ahead and add all flour little by little or all together, it's the same thing. Now let's wait that the dough absorbs the water. Okay, now that the dough is all together, like you can see all the sides are clean, we go ahead, speed up the machine nice and fast, and let's go ahead and let's add the water little by little, the remaining water. You want to wait and do this job for about 10 to 15 minutes, just the time that all this water will finish and the dough will be ready. So I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Okay, the dough is ready. A little bit of olive oil on the floor in your hands. Let's take out the dough. Here we go. Now let's play a little bit. Let's open up. It looks good, nice and strong. And now we go ahead and let's flip it over. Let's create the ball. Dough is ready. Let's grab a container, olive oil in the container, get the dough, and let's place it inside. Olive oil on top. And now we wait 1 hour at room temperature. This time is to start the leavening process. Here we go, guys. The dough, like you can see, almost boom, blow up. It's nice and fermented. Leavened, not fermented, because now is about to start the process of the fermentation. Like you can see, I'm taking off all the air. I have a little bit of olive oil. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit, lightly. Now this part on top is the gluten structure. So let's go ahead, let's create the balls. Okay, dough balls are ready. Let's go ahead, let's place the dough balls inside the box. This one will be ready in about 1 hour to 2 hours at room temperature because already we created the fermentation, the leavening process with the poolish, thanks to the poolish. So let's go ahead, let's wait an hour and then I'm gonna show you side by side the whole 3 dough. So let's go ahead and let's get ready. We got all the ingredients, the oven is warming up and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, here we go, guys. This is the dough after 2 hours at room temperature. Like you can see, this is the perfect pizza dough made like, let's say 24 hours because we made the poolish. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it all side by side and show you how they will look like. We got the perfect one, 24 hours, then we got the 1 week, and then we got the 1 month. So guys, take a look of the whole 3 side by side, how it will look. I want to start to say that we are here to see the limit we can push the pizza dough. So for me, it's also brand new this thing because of course I never fermented the dough for 1 month, but you might be interesting and then I'm really interested to see how will be the results. Then we have the 7 days, which is I believe personally 7 days is the max that you can go. And then we got the 24 hours. So, like you can see, the gluten structure on the 24 hours is nice, it's puffy, is inside there. So everything is perfect on point to go and start to make the pizza. Then you see the colors, it's very different. So we got a little bit yellow, and then we got a little bit mild yellow, and then we got white. The second one, which is 7 days, like you can see, we still have some air inside. That means that the gluten structure is still really nice and strong. So in about a few seconds, I'm going to see also the inside and put it side by side. We get the 1 month. Like you can see, change totally the color, it became white. So that means that now we have over fermented pizza dough. And I can smell the acid from alcoholic acid from far away. We even have some liquid right here. Look at this. This is like liquid from the pizza dough. I can tell that this dough is not strong at all. The gluten structure is dead. So this dough is completely dead. But also today I'm going to stretch it if I can, it doesn't break. And I'm going to cook it and see how it will come out. But guys, tell me in comment, please, if you want to see the 100 days of fermented pizza dough, because also I have dough in the fridge. Let me know in comment if you want to see the 100 days. So let's go ahead and let's start the dough. Actually, let's start to put all the dough side by side, how they look like. The 1 month first. Ooh, can tell it's very delicate. Oh my God. Yeah, the gluten structure is totally, completely destroyed. It's wet, not good. Let's go ahead and let's grab the 7 days, which I know people, they really use the dough for 7 days. But guys, I don't know if the dough is good. We are here about to find out if the dough is healthy and then it's good. Got 7 days. Look at the difference between the gluten structure. And let's go ahead, let's grab the perfect one. 24 hours. Like you can see, super easy and super strong. Boom! Voila. Okay, guys, take a look of the 1 month. It's really destroyed. Look at the gluten structure on the 1 month. I don't know if I'm able to do wow. The dough rips apart. I don't know if I'm able to do the pizza with this, but we are going to taste it. Then we got the 1 week, which is okay, the gluten structure. Still not rip, which is, yes, this one is still okay to make the pizza. This is to test the gluten, how strong, how we can go. And then we got the 24 hours, which is really strong. Yeah, we build it really good, the gluten. So let's go ahead, let's start the dough. This one I can even reball it. Remember, you can reball the dough 1 time only. After that, the gluten will start to become more weak. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna make it. Stretch, 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 full of air, easy to stretch, and boom, the dough is perfect. Tomato sauce, little bit of fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, and fresh mozzarella. And then olive oil. Okay, let's grab the peel, boom, 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 and now let's go ahead and let's cook it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and let's place it right there in the center. Boom. So now we're gonna cook it until the pizza is done. Let's go ahead and let's move on. Let's make the 7 days. I'm having some difficulty here to take it out from the box. Here we go. Place it down there. We're gonna be careful here on stretching this pizza. I'm gonna put a lot of flour. Gently, I'm gonna go ahead and stretch. Wow, it really feels like I'm stretching the gluten-free. So I'm not gonna make it super big. I'm pressing down this way. We don't make any holes because it's super easy to make holes. Let's go ahead. Tomato sauce. We're gonna move fast here because the pizza is weak. The gluten is weak. Fresh mozzarella and then olive oil. Here we go. Let's grab the peel. Flour. We're gonna try to go under with the peel because it looks like I'm using the dough gluten-free. Make it big. Let's go ahead and let's put also this one in the oven. Here we go. Let's see. Yes, that was easy. Let's go ahead and let's start the 30 days. Guys, I'm very excited. Here we go. flour. Let's grab this one, which is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna place some flour there because this is gonna be tough. Boom, in the flour. Now, at this point, I'm gonna stretch it and make it fast. So pay attention, stay with me. I'm gonna use the top part because it's top part on the bottom because it's super it's dry. So look what I'm doing. I'm pressing because I can't stretch it. If I stretch it, I'm gonna make a hole. And then if I make a hole, I'm not gonna be able to make it. Yeah. See the holes? We got some holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully I don't rip it. Because when I'm going to put the tomato sauce on top, the tomato sauce, the acid of tomato sauce is gonna rip, it's gonna heat the dough, and it's gonna break it. So I don't know if that haven't happened to you. And then olive oil, and right away, let's go ahead, let's try to put it on the peel. Yes, it come out. Yeah, like you can see, look, vieni. See, it breaks the gluten really, really easy. Let's go ahead and let's place this pizza in the oven. Really easy to break, guys. So what I notice here, that this one 30 days is tough. Let's get the plates and let me show you the pizzas, how the pizza will look like. Here we go, the 24 hours, the 7 days, and voila, the 30 days. Let's go, let's finish up, put a little bit of basil on top, olive oil on the cross just to make it look nice. Voila, like you can see, we have the 24 hours. It's perfect, nice, soft, crunchy. The dough comes out back. The bottom of the pizza, it come out really perfect. Then here we go, we have the 7 days. Like you can see, the gluten structure inside lost a little bit of hair, and the look is so-so. The texture is okay, and the bottom was also cooked well. But I can tell from my experience that this dough is really heavy. It's not light. Keep in mind, doesn't mean that the more is the time, the more light is the pizza, because it doesn't work like that. You need to make the perfect dough. To be able to do that, subscribe to my channel and you'll be surprising of your results. Well, just check out the comments and see how, what do you think of my channel. I mean, it's no secret. I'm giving you everything, all my 30 years of experience in all videos. Here we go, we have the 30 days, 1 month of fermentation. This pizza smells acid, probably super disgusting, no gluten structure at all. You see it's flat, and let's check out the bottom. See all the black dots. That means the yeast is totally, completely dead. So we don't have any gluten structure. The look is terrible. So if you see a pizza dough like that, change pizza place. Let's go ahead, let's open up, because now it's time to see the inside, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and try to taste it, because we're here to taste it. Yes, you hear well. I'm going to taste the 30 days. I have to, for you. Let's go ahead and let's check out the gluten structure inside. So like you can see, the perfection one, the 24 hours is nice, fermented, perfect, full of air. And then I can tell that it's super light. Let's go the 7 days. Let's get this one, this part. Like you can see, it's a little bit more white, more shiny, and still have the texture of soft and crunchy, but here and there. So this was because it's super hard to stretch. Let's go ahead on the 7 days, the 30 days. Like you can see, it's you get a little bit of yellowish. This is raw dough. Like you can see, it's raw. No air at all, because the gluten is totally, completely destroyed. I have to get the taste here, oh my God. Somebody, you guys want to taste? Taste with me, you need to taste. No. You need to taste with me. You need to taste with me, get the chair. Get the chair, we're gonna do it Guga style.
Mi prepari del tovagliolo per sputare, per favore?
No, te la devi mangiare.
Okay. By the way, this is Desiree Iacopelli, my sister, and she knows how to make the pizza. What do you think after all? After all, you see the whole process. You believe this 30 days?
No, I don't believe. I'm scary. Very
You're scared. You're
Yes.
scared.
Yes,
But
I'm
depends on your comment if you want to see the 100 days. If we make 100 days, I'm going to have her to taste it too. So let's go ahead. One slice for me, just in case you want the whole slice. Okay. So no, we're gonna start with the perfect one because I'm super hungry right now. That's for you, and that's for me. Let's go ahead. Good now. Nice, soft, really good.
And the small pieces.
No, that's okay. You're just gonna taste it. Smell. This is 7 days is
This one
okay.
is good.
It's not
Yes.
bad. We have a little bit more crunchy, so let's go.
It's good, but maybe it's a little bit hard.
A little bit harder. Yeah. I think this one is more sour, a little bit more sour, but it's good texture. I don't recommend it for 7 days because it's not good 7 days. I can tell it starts to get acid. You recommend it for 7 days? No?
I like it,
But you
It's not
prefer
bad,
this one or
but-
you prefer this one?
of
No,
course.
of course. Now, guys, it's our turn. Let's get to the point of the whole video. I know that you guys were waiting for. Ready?
No.
We should not eat this because it's acid. So we're just gonna give a little bite. Diamo soltanto un bite. Look at the bottom. Smells bad, huh?
Yes.
Well, let's taste it. Go more. More. Go. Oh. No. Oh my God. We need water.
Yes.
Posso avere l'acqua? Guys, I had to speed it up because it was not good. The acid, even the, I'm hungry. The ingredients, they were good. So it covered up a little bit the taste, but when we get to the palate, touched the tongue, was not good.
I know.
Okay, thank you.
It's really, really
Thank
bad.
you. Get some water
Really
there. So yeah, it tastes acid.
bad. Yes.
The acidity, oh look, even the mouth is start to. Terrible. Negative. Pass. 30 days. Okay, guys, this was my review video. Smash that like and see you next week.
And comment below and subscribe.
Brava. You learn.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.